Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add videos with sounds as live wallpapers on Windows 11. So to get started, let's go ahead and download a program called Lively Wallpaper, which you can find on the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to open my start menu and type in Microsoft Store. And once here, you're going to be able to find a search bar at the top of your screen. So simply type in Lively Wallpaper and then it should be the first result that you see. As you can see, I already had it open earlier. It's the program by Rox Danister. So you just want to make sure that you don't get it mixed up with another live wallpaper application and make sure that this is the one that you get as well. So go ahead and download and install that. And once it's done downloading and installing, you can go ahead and click on open. So it should show you this interface. And one thing to make sure is that when you're adding your own wallpaper, if you would like it to have sound, you have to make sure that the video file that you are using also has sound. Sometimes there will be wallpapers or videos that don't have any sound in them, and that's how some people get confused when they add their own wallpapers. But as you can see, I already have a bit of a library right here, and it does come with a few wallpapers already installed with it. So if you'd like, you can also choose from those. But if you really want to add your own, go ahead and click on the plus button at the top right of your screen and click on choose a file. So here you're going to be able to navigate to the file that you would like to add. Again, make sure that the video file that you want has sound included if you want your wallpaper to also have sound. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. You want to click on open. And this is just an example. You can use a different video with, say, a different sound profile. Maybe you can use a music video that you've downloaded and really like as your wallpaper. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a title. Okay, this car drifting with sound. And I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to take just a few seconds to upload into the program. And it will be added to my library as you can see. So go ahead and make sure that that is active right now by clicking on it. And once we go back to our wallpaper or to our desktop, you're going to be able to see that we have made this video as our live wallpaper with the sound included. So I'm going to go to my desktop right now to show you. And as you can see and hear, it is working perfectly fine. So again, you can feel free to choose whatever video you like. Maybe it's a music video, maybe it's a short vlog or whatever. And really, the choice is up to you. The sky is the limit with programs like these. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.